Good evening. Now, I thought we'd look at some stories that are in the headlines that may be appealing. And I looked at the news. I've been scanning again, courtesy of this website here. And let's see if there's anything of interest other than the what I already was thinking of discussing. Let me just glance through today's news. I guess I don't see anything off the hand, so we'll go to the story I was thinking of talking about. It's right here. Hurricane Hillary upgraded from tropical storm, putting California at risk of flash floods. All right, so first of all, the first thing I observed from it is of all the names, that's the one you have here. All right, that's the first thing I noticed. Now, this is interesting because this is in California, and usually you don't hear about California having a hurricane. Not to my recollection. So that is something a little strange. Already we have two strange aspects of this story here. So, I guess this is a kind of a satellite image. You can kind of see it bearing down, expect it to be there within hours, maybe by Friday, is where the bulk of this, it's Friday, Saturday. But, as you can see here, it says Category 4. It is going to become a Category 4 in California. I can tell you, folks, I have not heard of that happening in a long time, or ever. California. So what I noticed about this, first of all, is that I was in California not too long ago. I was just doing some traveling there. I picked up one of these portable phones type of things, It's like a cell phone, kind of. Guess it was necessary. And it had the weather forecast on there, And this was I was in Long Beach area at the time. The phone, would say, we have rain coming. But it's a light rain. Maybe, not much. Kind of like what they say in this story here. California hardly gets any rain, right? That's our map. It's the rain is like 0.01 inch. Okay, that's kind of what we were expecting in Long Beach when I was there at the time. And I was taken back a bit because everybody made a big deal about that. Everyone would say, wow, we're getting rain today. I was like, okay, it's just like, not even a half an inch is coming down here. And the forecast said light rain, but everyone was concerned still. I thought, wow, what a overreaction, All right, I mean, so every place is different in the world. They all have their different reactions. So I'm thinking, how are they going to react when this comes down to California? And it will hit Long Beach. You can see, according to this chart here, this is becoming very strong most of the next 2 or 3 days. Look at this. So they're going to have heavy rains pretty much for this hurricane here Sunday night. I mean, these are going to be heavy rains. Heavy rains. So I'm thinking, how the heck is everyone going to react in Los Angeles or Long Beach? Are they going to... Let's head for the cellars. Let's get to the basement, lock it up tight, board all the windows and doors and everything else. Stock up on canned goods and water and everything else. As usually most of the time people do not want to leave when a hurricane's coming. In Florida, I guess when they have the bulk of these, they will decide we need to leave. It's time to go. But I don't know if California is so willing to say, it is time, let's get out of here. It's evacuation time. Anyway, it's a story to monitor. We will see what happens in this developing situation. It says 3 to 6 inches of rain, up to 10 inches is forecast to fall through Sunday night. It's going to be something that happened to what will occur in California. I don't know. Baja California. I think so here's Los Angeles. Long Beach is right next to it. So I'm guessing Baja California. I don't really... I've heard of that. I just can't be sure if it's the south or Atlanta. Probably over there. So that would be something to look at. All right. So that's one story. Let's see if we can cover another thing real quick. Still on a time limit here, folks. Let me see if anything else to discuss. Guess not anything else is real notable at this time. Excuse me. So we still have 3 minutes, I guess, left over time. So do me a favor, folks. Be sure to subscribe to the channel if you're watching. Please do that favor to me, your newsman of the day. Just give me a subscription, subscribe to the channel, and comment if you like. Maybe there's a specific story you want to see, or some comment on, or something. Feel free to write whatever you want down there. I'll make sure to get back to you about it. Well, that's all, folks. We're gonna stop there today, and we will see you next time. Maybe we'll have a follow-up on this story. What happens may turn out to be nothing. Sometimes these hurricanes just disappear, in a flash of a pan.